Good day, my name is Michael Albeltran III. This is my final activity. GR number 223142, January 17, 2018, People of the Philippines versus Rolando Santos Zaragoza. The contents of this case is facts, evidence, ruling of RTC, ruling of the Court of Appeals. Accused appellant Santos was charged before the RTC of Caloocan City with 3 counts of violation of certain provisions of Republic Act number 9165. Violation of Section 6, Article 2 of RA number 9165. Criminal case number C82009 that on or about the 21st day of August 2009 in Caloocan City, Metro Manila, and within the jurisdiction of this Honorable Court, the above-named accused without authority of law then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously maintain in his house at 21 Tagaytay Street, Caloocan City, a drug den, dive, or resort where dangerous drugs are habitually dispensed for use by the customers and addicts. Case number C82010 that on or about the 21st day of August 2009 in Caloocan City, Metro Manila, within the jurisdiction of the Honorable Court, the above-named accused, without being authorized by the law, did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously have in his possession and custody and controlled dried crushed leaves and seeds wrapped in a newsprint and contained transparent plastic tea bag marked TLS-21-8-09-06 weighing 1.0022 grams. When subjected for laboratory examination, gave positive result to the test of marijuana, a dangerous drug. Violation of Section 12, Article 2 of Republic Act number 9165. Criminal case number C-82011 that on or about the 21st day of August 2009 in Caloocan City, Metro Manila, and within the jurisdiction of the Honorable Court, the above-named accused, without being authorized by the law, did then and there willfully, unlawfully, and feloniously have in his possession, custody, and control several strips of used aluminum foil in a transparent plastic bag, several pieces used plastic sachet in a transparent tea bag, and a plastic tube intended for sniffing methamphetamine hydrochloride, a dangerous drug. Evidence: testimony of Special Investigator Elson Saul, Agents Jerome Bornediano, Henry Canape, and Attorney Fatima Liwalig, all from the Reaction, Arrest, and Interdiction Division of National Bureau of Investigation. Nicanor Cruz Jr. of NBI Forensic Chemistry Division. The testimony of Attorney Liwalag et al. Prior to the application on August 20, 2009 by Attorney Liwalag for a search warrant before the RTC Manila, the raid NBI received information from their confidential informant that there was a group of individuals at Tagaytay Street at Caloocan City selling drugs and using minors as runners. After Attorney Liwalag interviewed the informant, she, along with the NBI team and a technical staff of investigador at GMA Channel 7 to investigate, the program went to the reported area, conducted surveillance. The actual surveillance where the videos were taken of the buying and selling and use of the drugs in the different houses of Tagaytay Street lasted for 2 weeks during the first test buy Bomediano was able to buy shabu from Santos alas Rolando Tabo. Two informants were used by the NBI for the surveillance, but the spy camera was attached to only one of them. The informants were able to buy drugs from Santos and to use them inside his house. Video Exhibit A. The first video taken by the staff of Investigador showed the informants going inside a makeshift house on Tagaytay Street, which, according to one of the informants, was owned by Santos. He was shown standing in front of a table while preparing the paraphernalia to sniff shabu. Also shown in the video was Jenny Coyocot, the adopted daughter of Santos, who, according to the informant, sold foil for the price of 2 pesos per strip. The second video depicted Erwin Ganata Ayon telling Jack, one of the occupants in Santos' house, "Pasok kami sa bahay ni Tabo." 12 videos. The videos were turned over by Min De Chavez of Investigador to Attorney Tiwalog. The testimony of Saul. Saul found inside the bedroom and beside the bed of Santos several used and unused foil strips, either crumpled or rolled, the size of a cigarette stick. The foil strips, numbering 14, were found inside a baby powder container. He also found unused small plastic sachets. Saul placed the foil and plastic sachets on the center table in the living room. When Saul frisked Santos, he found marijuana leaves wrapped in paper on the right pocket of his pants. Saul informed Santos of his constitutional rights and placed the marijuana leaves on top of the center table. Saul searched the rooms on the second floor but found nothing. From a trash can in the kitchen, Saul found used small transparent sachets, which he also placed on the center table. Luquinario Flores, who was caught on video selling to the informant aluminum foil to be used with drugs, and 2 minor children were found on the first floor of the house. The children admitted that they were part of a gang in the area. The testimony of Santos, Assistant City Prosecutor Darwin Caniente, Kagawad Magno Flores, and Media Representative Eugene Lalaan. Santos, Assistant City Prosecutor Darwin Caniente, Kagawad Magno Flores, and Media Representative Eugene Lalaan of Investigador witnessed the inventory of the seized items by Saul, and when he marked them, Santos, Luquinario Flores, and the 2 minors were brought to the NBI office. When Saul returned to the NBI office after the operation, he submitted the seized items to NBI forensic chemists. A joint affidavit of arrest was thereafter executed by Saul Malaluan, Bornediano, and Canapi. The testimony of forensics chemists. The testimony of Cruz, the forensic chemist, was dispensed with after the parties agreed to stipulate on the materials he would testify, and after a short cross-examination by the defense. The judgment in criminal case number C82011, finding the appellant Rolando Santos Zaragoza guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime of illegal possession of drug paraphernalia under Section 12, Article 2 of Republic Act 9165 is hereby affirmed. The judgment in criminal case number C82 finding the appellant Rolando Santos Zaragoza guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime of maintaining a drug den under Section 6, Article 2 of Republic Act 9165 is reversed and set aside. Appellant Rolando Santos Zaragoza is hereby acquitted in criminal case number C-82009 for insufficiency of evidence. The judgment in criminal case number 82012 find the accused Jaime Baltazar Liconario Flores guilty beyond reasonable doubt of the crime of visiting a drug den under Section 7, Article 2 of Republic Act 9165 is likewise reversed and set aside. She is hereby acquitted in criminal case number C-82012 for insufficiency of evidence. That's all. Thank you for listening.